Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best 3D printers on the market, perfect for anyone looking to bring creative projects to life. Whether you're just starting out or already an experienced creator, these printers offer a range of features tailored to different needs. All the product links are in the description for easy access, so feel free to check them out anytime. This list is based on our own research, taking into account ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. We've focused on helping you make a smart choice, so let's dive in and find out which printer might be right for you. Number 5, we have the Sabor CoreXY 3D printer. This is a powerful and versatile option with a max print size of 300 by 300 by 200 millimeters, perfect for creating larger projects or more intricate designs. With speeds reaching up to 600 millimeters per second, this printer can handle a high volume of work with precision. It supports various filament types like PLA, ABS, TPU, PETG, and more, making it adaptable for diverse materials. The auto-leveling feature and cloud printing capabilities enhance its ease of use, so even beginners can start creating quickly. Its user-friendly interface and dual nozzle setup make it a great choice for anyone looking to print with versatility and efficiency. Number 4, we have the FYSETC 2.4 R2 Pro 3D printer, designed to offer impressive performance and quality. This printer supports a variety of slicing software, including Prusa Slicer, Simplify 3D, and Cura, which allows users to work with diverse file formats like STL, G-code, and OBJ. With a max print speed of 300 millimeters per second and a bed temperature reaching up to 120 degrees Celsius, it's perfect for achieving smooth, fast prints. The auto leveling feature makes it accessible to users at all experience levels, and it's compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. This printer is ideal for those who need reliability and versatility in materials like PLA, ABS, and PETG, making it a top contender for advanced users. Number 3, we have the KINGROON KP3S 3D printer, an affordable and compact option that delivers quality without taking up too much space. This printer is ideal for smaller projects with a maximum print size of 180 by 180 by 180 millimeters and a max speed of 110 millimeters per second. It's designed with simplicity in mind, making it perfect for beginners who want to get started with 3D printing. While it doesn't include auto leveling, it still provides reliable results, especially for materials like PLA, TPU, and wood filament. The user-friendly interface and compatibility with popular slicing software such as Cura make it easy to work with. If you're looking for an entry-level option, the KP3S offers great value for money. Number 2, we have the KINGROON KP3S Pro 3D printer, which builds on the features of the previous model but offers a bit more power and versatility. This printer can reach impressive speeds of up to 350 millimeters per second and a working speed of 500 millimeters per second, making it suitable for larger projects or high-demand users. It includes an auto-leveling feature, a welcome addition for users who want greater ease of use. This printer also boasts a durable build with support for PLA and ABS materials, ensuring a stable and reliable print every time. With a maximum print size of 200 by 200 by 200 millimeters, it's compact yet powerful, making it an excellent choice for intermediate to advanced users looking for speed and reliability. Finally, at number 1, we have the HALOT Creality Ender 3 3D printer, which stands out for its robust performance and advanced features. This printer offers a maximum print size of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters and can reach speeds of up to 250 millimeters per second, perfect for both detailed and larger projects. Although it doesn't have auto leveling, its other features more than make up for it, with a precision level of 0.1 millimeters ensuring high quality results. It supports multiple filament types, including PLA, PETG, and TPU, making it versatile for different types of projects. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, it's designed for ease of use and flexibility. For anyone looking for an all-rounder that combines performance and value, the HALOT Creality Ender 3 is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with our latest reviews on the best products out there.